Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Playwright on Windows for browser automation, beginner guide. To install Playwright on Windows for browser automation, start by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your system. Visit the official Node.js website at nodejs.org. Download the LTS version for better stability. Follow the installation prompts to set up Node.js on your computer. Once Node.js is installed, open the command prompt. You can do this by typing cmd in the Windows search bar and hitting enter. In the command prompt, type npm install gplaywright and press enter. This command will install Playwright globally on your system. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, you can verify it by typing Playwright version in the command prompt. If the version number appears, Playwright is successfully installed. Next, create a new directory for your automation project. You can do this by typing in Dear Playwright Project in the command prompt. Navigate into your new directory by typing cd Playwright Project. Now, initialize a new Node.js project by running npm init. This command creates a package.json file with default settings. Next, you need to install browsers used by Playwright. Run the command npx playwright install in the command prompt. This will download and install the required browsers. Once the installation is complete, you can start writing scripts. Create a new JavaScript file in your project directory. You can name it example.js. Open the file in your preferred code editor. Start by importing Playwright at the top of your file with const chromium equals require playwright. Now you can begin writing your automation code. Remember to save your file after making changes. To run your script, return to the command prompt. Type nodeexample.js and press enter. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.